What's up, everybody? Hello. Today I'm in Ogre. It's one of the beautiful places in Latvia. We are chilling with my friends. Hey bro, what's up? This is Azizbek, Bhakti, and the crazy man. So nice place. Yeah, who are in Europe, who are studying or who are students. I really recommend you to come to this place. It's very amazing, magical city in Latvia. So study is, sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's not too much, but the thing is, one day, I don't know how to say, but sometimes you get up and wanna go out and just wanna relax. Yeah, but you know what? If you wanna really chill out, I highly recommend you go to the forest, where is the sea, where is the lake, or it's really better to you because city, for example, if you wanna go to the new city, for example, Berlin, Paris, New York, or somewhere, it's kinda relaxing, it's kinda magical time to everybody if you wanna discover somewhere. But forests are something different. If you come to forest, you really relax because there is a very beautiful peace to relax. I come to the forest with my friends, for example, swimming, and swimming is also amazing time in summer. Now we are in Latvia, and I have more than 5 close friends, and sometimes we come to different cities for swimming, even come to chilling, even come to get the peace in this, for example, this magical place, Ogre. Ogre is located in Latvia. It's fair. It's quite far, not too much. Around 45 kilometers from the center of the Riga. In my previous video, probably you saw the beautiful place. Jurmala is also a top place to visit if you are in Riga. So in this video, I would like to tell you some facts about Latvia and why I'm studying Latvia exactly. So you know what? Latvia is one of the cheapest city in Europe, and Latvian people even friendly. Latvian culture is nice. People are friendly. There are a lot of beautiful places to visit. For example, Ogre. Ogre is one of the peace and swimming place in Latvia. the studies, not bad. As I told you before, courses are much friendly than other European cities. I've been many European cities, for example, Tallinn, Rotterdam, Helsinki, Vienna. They're much expensive than Riga. Yeah, for someone, living costs, no problem. But I know for most students, costs are really important to live without difficulties, if I'm not mistaken. So here is working is very nice. So working is also good. There are a lot of jobs to survive as a part-time students. There are a lot of students are working in Latvia. Some students are working as a full-time, but most of them working as a part-time, as usual. So I'm also a part-time student in Riga. Sometimes I work as a courier. I was working at a lot of places. For example, I worked at restaurants, car wash services. So currently I'm a courier in Riga. Yeah. So my most videos coming out as a travel videos. But from today I decided to put some kind of different videos to my YouTube channel. As I'm a vlogger on YouTube, I would like to put not the same videos. I mean, I want to put some difference. I hope it's gonna be some interesting in my channel. Yeah, it would be nice. I promise you. Oh my god, it's shaking.
Azizbek bir top istiyor. Top istiyor.